This video is brought to you by Roohanialoom.com.
When the blood of human body becomes dirty and having problems and discomforts cause of boils, rashes and itching etc. So this exercise will be very helpful. Just do it for 10 to 12 days in morning and at night. It is 1,000 times better than the best sprays and medicines related to blood cleansers. Even it has capability to cure leprosy patients within a few days. The patients of leprosy can definitely be recovered from this process. Start this exercise process without any hesitation and get advantage. At first stand in an open or high place, then press the tip of your tongue into the root of your upper teeth, and then close your mouth and take a long deep breath through your nostrils. Inhale and hold, breathe as much as possible. Now lift the tip of the tongue from the root of the upper teeth and press it into the root of lower teeth, and exhale, breathe very fast. Do this exercise in morning and evening for 10 to 15 days. It is an effective and experienced process. Many peoples have done this process according to advice. They have seen best result. There is no any scope of doubt about its benefits.